Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best artisan bread flour is probably one of the most versatile and essential ingredients in any baker's pantry, especially for those who dream of creating crusty, flavorful loaves with that perfect chewy crumb right in their own kitchen. This specially milled flour is designed to provide the ideal protein content and gluten development needed to achieve professional quality results, transforming simple home baking into an art form that delights the senses and satisfies the soul with every delicious bite. Number 5. Great River Milling Organic Dark Rye Flour. Discover the rich, wholesome goodness of our organic dark rye flour. It's a whole grain flour, perfect for all your baking needs. Crafted from 100% whole grains, this flour brings a depth of flavor and nutrition to your recipes. Experience the difference quality makes. Whether you're baking hearty breads or experimenting with new recipes, this dark rye flour is your go-to ingredient. Its robust flavor is unmatched. Get more of what you love with our convenient 25-pound bag. It's ideal for both home bakers and professional kitchens. Trust in the quality and tradition of Great River Milling. We are committed to providing you with the finest organic flours. What we like. For those seeking a robust, earthy flavor, this organic dark rye is a fantastic choice. Its whole grain nature provides a hearty texture and nutritional boost. If you love the deep, complex taste of traditional rye bread, this is the flour for you. What people say. This flour is excellent for sourdough bread, producing a beautiful crust and open crumb. It has a high protein content, which is great for developing gluten structure in yeasted breads. The flour mills very finely, making it easy to incorporate into doughs and resulting in a smooth texture. Number 4. ABIOTO 14-piece sourdough bread baking kit. Discover the ABIOTO 14-piece sourdough kit, designed to elevate your bread baking. It includes everything you need, from proofing baskets to essential tools, for an artisan-level experience. Experience the difference with our proofing baskets, skillfully woven from premium Indonesian rattan. They are designed to be splinter-free, smell-free, and incredibly durable for consistent results. This kit is more than just tools, it's your partner in baking. Awaken your creativity, enhance your skills, and impress everyone with your delicious sourdough creations. Bring your family together with the joy of homemade sourdough. Our kit makes it easy to create healthy, delicious bread that's perfect for sharing and gifting. We provide clear instructions to ensure your success. Plus, your purchase is backed by our commitment to your satisfaction, offering replacements or refunds for any defects. This comprehensive kit includes round and oval proofing baskets with liners, a Danish whisk, a bread lane with extra blades, and dough scrapers. Get ready to bake right out of the box. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything a beginner needs to start their sourdough journey. It includes durable, high-quality tools for consistent results. If you're new to sourdough baking and want a hassle-free experience with all the essentials, this is the perfect starter set. What people say. This flour makes a beautiful crust and a chewy crumb. It has a high protein content, which is great for developing gluten. The flour has a fine texture and mixes easily into dough. Number 3. Simple Mills Almond Flour Artisan Bread Mix. Discover the joy of baking with our gluten-free artisan bread mix. Made with simple, whole food ingredients for a delicious and wholesome loaf. Enjoy a truly artisan bread experience without the gluten. Our carefully selected ingredients ensure a fantastic texture and taste. We believe in the power of simple, nourishing ingredients. That's why this mix is crafted with whole foods for your well-being. Baking delicious bread at home has never been easier. Just add a few simple ingredients and let our mix do the rest. Whether for a weeknight dinner or a special gathering, this bread is sure to impress. It's the perfect accompaniment to any meal. Experience the rich flavor and satisfying texture that only almond flour can provide. You'll love the homemade taste. What we like. This mix offers a convenient way to achieve artisan-style gluten-free bread. Made with whole food ingredients like almond flour, it provides a wholesome alternative. If you follow a gluten-free diet or are looking for a quick and easy way to bake delicious bread without the fuss, this mix is ideal. What people say. This flour makes a wonderfully chewy crust and a tender crumb. It has a high protein content, which is perfect for developing gluten structure in sourdough bread. The flour is finely milled, resulting in a smooth dough that is easy to work with. Number 2. Great River Milling Organic Lily White All-Purpose Flour, 25 pounds. Discover the wholesome goodness of our organic all-purpose flour. It's milled from the finest lily white wheat for a pure and natural taste. This is your go-to ingredient for all your baking needs. From delicate cookies to hearty breads, it delivers consistent results every time. Enjoy creating delicious cakes, fluffy muffins, and flaky pie crusts with this versatile flour. It's balanced for a wide range of recipes. We are committed to providing you with high-quality organic ingredients. Bake with confidence knowing you're using the best for your family. Experience the difference that organic, carefully milled flour makes. Elevate your baking with our premium all-purpose flour. Get more of what you love with our convenient 25 pounds bag. It's perfect for avid bakers and ensures you're always stocked up. What we like. This organic all-purpose flour is a reliable staple for a wide range of baked goods. Its balanced nature makes it suitable for everything from cookies to pizza dough. If you need a dependable, high-quality flour for everyday baking and want organic assurance, this is your go-to option. What people say. This flour is great for making artisan bread. It has a high protein content which helps create a good crust and crumb. I've used this flour for sourdough and it produces a beautiful rise and a chewy texture. The flour is finely milled, which makes it easy to work with and results in a smooth dough. Number 1. Central Milling 100% Organic Artisan Bread Flour, 25 pounds. Discover the authentic taste of tradition with our 100% organic artisan bread flour. It's crafted to bring the finest quality to your baking endeavors. We use only the best 100% organic ingredients to create a flour that's perfect for artisan breads. You'll taste the difference in every bite. Elevate your bread making with this premium flour, designed for those who appreciate the art of baking. It provides the ideal texture and flavor for crusty loaves. This generous 25 pounds bag ensures you have plenty of high-quality flour for all your baking needs. It's the perfect staple for any home baker. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen with a flour that performs beautifully. Achieve professional-level results with this exceptional organic blend. Bake with confidence knowing you're using a product rooted in tradition and quality. It delivers consistent, delicious results every time. What we like. This organic artisan bread flour is milled for superior bread-making performance. Its high protein content is perfect for developing a strong gluten structure, resulting in excellent crust and crumb. If you're serious about achieving bakery-quality loaves at home and want a flour that delivers exceptional results for crusty breads, this is the one to choose. What people say. This flour makes a beautiful loaf with a crisp crust and chewy interior. It has a high protein content, which is great for developing gluten structure in sourdough bread. The flour is finely milled, resulting in a smooth dough that's easy to work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.